How can local businesses make money online using Google Maps? Google Maps for local businesses, making money online. A close-up of a computer screen showing the Google Maps homepage. For local businesses, it can be tough to stand out online and reach new customers. But with Google Maps, you can boost your visibility and make money online. A shot of a local business owner sitting at a computer, looking worried. The first step is to create a Google Maps listing for your business. This will allow customers to find your business easily when they search for related keywords. A shot of a local business owner creating a listing on Google Maps. But just having a listing isn't enough. You can also use Google Maps to promote your business through sponsored ads. This will allow your business to appear at the top of search results when people search for related keywords, making it more likely that they'll choose your business over the competition. A shot of a sponsored ad for a local business appearing at the top of Google Maps search results. In addition, you can also use Google Maps to track your customers' behavior and preferences. This will allow you to tailor your marketing efforts and improve your ROI. A shot of a local business owner analyzing customer data on Google Maps. But Google Maps isn't just about reaching new customers. You can also use it to improve the customer experience. For example, you can create a virtual tour of your business to give customers a sneak peek of what to expect. Or you can use Google Maps to show customers where to park or how to get to your business. A shot of a virtual tour of a local business on Google Maps. So if you're a local business looking to make money online, don't overlook the power of Google Maps. Create a listing, promote your business through sponsored ads, track your customers' behavior, and use it to improve the customer experience. A shot of the Google Maps homepage with the tagline "Unlock the power of Google Maps to make money online." Note, this is a basic script. It will require more detailed planning and research to effectively monetize using Google Maps for local business. Here are some steps for more detailed planning and research to effectively monetize using Google Maps for local businesses. Understand your target audience. Before you start creating your listing or running ads, it's important to understand your target audience. Consider factors such as age, income, location, and interests when creating your target audience profile. Research your competition. Look at the listings and sponsored ads of businesses in your industry to see what they're doing. Take note of the keywords they're using, the types of ads they're running, and the overall look and feel of their listings. Use this information to differentiate yourself and stand out from the competition. Create a comprehensive listing. When creating your listing, make sure to include all relevant information about your business, such as your hours of operation, contact information, and a description of your products and services. You can also include photos and videos to make your listing more engaging. Use keywords in your listing and ads. Use relevant keywords in your listing and ads to make it more likely that your business will appear in search results. Use tools such as Google Keyword Planner to research which keywords are most relevant to your business and have a high search volume. Measure and analyze your performance. Google Maps allows you to track your ad performance and customer behavior. Use this data to understand which ads are working best, which keywords are generating the most clicks, and which times of day are most popular for your business. Use this information to optimize your ads and improve your ROI. Create a virtual tour. With Google Maps, you can create a virtual tour of your business. This will allow potential customers to see inside your business and get a feel for what it's like before they visit. Utilize Google Maps features. Google Maps offers a lot of features that can be helpful for business owners. For example, businesses can use Google Maps to help customers find parking or show them how to get to the business. Follow the guidelines. Make sure you follow all the guidelines of Google Maps when creating your listing or running ads, to avoid any penalties or suspensions. By following these steps, you'll better understand how to effectively monetize using Google Maps for your local business. However, it's important to keep in mind that it will take time and consistent effort to see results. Don't miss out on the opportunity to boost your visibility and make money online with Google Maps. Take the first step today by creating a comprehensive listing for your business, researching your competition, and using relevant keywords to improve your search results. Use all the features that Google Maps offers to improve the customer experience. Start reaping the benefits of using Google Maps for your local business today. Contact us now to schedule a consultation and learn how to effectively monetize using Google Maps for your local business.